Look, the activities that Bayer is engaging in agriculture and in healthcare, they cry for sustainability. It is so important that we do these things correctly.
The outcome was fantastic. 5 groups of students worked together and they presented us with their idea of how to implement sustainability for the community, which is very important for all of us, including me as a researcher, because I need to listen to their needs and their experience in order to be a better scientist and a better communicator of my results. So, fantastic outcome.
So agriculture is about feeding all of us, and we need to produce agricultural food in a sustainable way. Same, we need to produce and distribute healthcare material in a sustainable way. There's no way around. And I personally believe that this is a sine qua non, and therefore sustainability talks.